Hello, and welcome to Serene Innovations. We would like to tell you about a great new way to stay safe in your home. The Central Alert CA360 All-Around Home Alert System. For those of you having trouble hearing, now you can always be notified of almost any type of signal, from cell phones, doorbells, alarm clocks, smoke and CO detector alarms, home security alerts, weather warnings, and more. Central Alert notifies you with an adjustable, pleasant-sounding audio alarm, bed shaker, and a very bright flasher. We also give you the option to choose from a variety of accessories to enhance the reach of Central Alert. Hear warnings from fire alarms, baby cries, motion detectors, storm warnings, and many more. Never miss a notification again. The included bed shaker and phone cord can easily plug into the master unit. A spare phone jack is available on the rear of the master unit for the bedside phone connection. Our bed shaker starts softly but increases vibration strength over time to ensure you are alerted. The included wireless doorbell is weather resistant and can be placed anywhere on the house. The clock display of the main unit has auto dim feature which automatically reduces its display brightness when its sensor detects a low ambient light condition at night. Now you and loved ones can enjoy the benefit of hearing everything. That's 360 degrees of protection. And at Serene Innovations, it has been our mission for over 15 years to develop products that improve your life, which is why we are so proud to offer you the Central Alert CA360 All-Around Home Alert System.